Good morning. This is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Today, we are looking at a very important insight that Business Week has posted in their paper. Did you know that by 2030, 100 million people will lose their jobs? Did you know that? If you didn't know, maybe there's a better way to ask this question. Did you know that by year 2030, 100 million people will need to be retrained to learn new skills, possibly go to school, possibly become programmers. But not only that, they also need to learn how to solve problems and to provide solutions. The bigger problems that you can solve and provide a solution that is easy for everyone to follow, you will get paid more and more money. That's right. But not only that, have you planned your next 10 years? I mean, we're into 2021, but we've got 9 years to go to 2030. Did you know that the electric vehicles will boom by then? That chances are you are driving, or someone you know is driving, a vehicle that will possibly become extinct by 2030? That's right. It will cease to exist on one level or another. Maybe most people will turn to electric vehicles as their primary source and forget about gas guzzlers. Possibly that will happen. But also, most people will start to consume a good 3 or even 10 times more electricity than they are consuming currently. That's right, because as we decrease in gas, electricity is going to increase. And I was with one of my mentors, one of my former teachers, a few weeks ago, who upgraded his house and said, no, we had a 20 amp house, and it's been like that for 50 years, I believe he had said. And he decided to upgrade to 150 amps. Why? He's in his 60s, close to 70. I believe is his age. I believe it's like 69 or 70. And he is already in talks of upgrading to the electric vehicle status, because people will need to charge their vehicles, charge their scooters or whatever it is they're going to get around in. That's right. The need for electricity is going to increase. So if you're looking to invest, maybe these are opportunities right there. Hint, hint. Electric vehicles, or maybe coins that will mimic the electric vehicle industry, which I believe they are starting to come out, but you'd have to look for them because there are so many coins out there. And, as they're coming out, you don't know what's going to happen. But another thing is, we've got 9 years. Do you know what you want in 9 years by the time 2030 comes around? Because by the time that the year 2030 comes around, it will fly. It will come so fast, you'll be like, oh my God, what happened? Do you have some vision of what you want? Have you written it down? Because if you don't write it down, how in the world are you going to get it, to be able to see it, to be able to grab it, to be able to think about it much clearer? Because if all you do is have a vision will only get you so far. But when you write it down, it's a world of a difference. When you write it down, you can review it on a weekly basis. You can hold yourself accountable. You have a method of measuring your progress on a yearly basis, on a monthly basis, on a daily basis, a weekly basis. Are you getting closer to your goal? Maybe it's a monetary goal and that's all you have. Maybe it's a goal of having a house. Maybe it's a goal of traveling the world. Maybe it's a goal of being happy. Maybe it's the goal of having health. Whatever it is, you can decide that. And that's why here at CEO Trades, we concentrate on investing money, investing ideas. We educate, train, and develop money investing individuals.